of a nation, the man of honesty, the man of greatness. He's the one who heart set us free. He's the one who heart set us free. He fought for our freedom with non-violence and truth. He was a freedom fighter and a great leader, the man of patience and man of kindness. He taught us unity, truth and honesty. He taught us unity, truth and honesty.
The greatest way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of humanity. These are the magical words of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. This year will mark the 152nd birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. United Nations observed this day as International Day of Nonviolence. Gandhian philosophy is not only political, religious, or moral, but it is also traditional and modern, simple and complex. Gandhian ideology is mostly based on practical idealism. He believed in the overall development of our students, and that's why my little geniuses. Today, I would like to recommend few suggestions and guidance given by our father of nation, which is really going to help you a lot. Speak the truth. Number two, always follow the path of non-violence. That means not to hurt and fight others emotionally, physically. Number three, forgive yourself and others too. Number four, spread love and only kindness. Number five, last but not the least, never give up. That means if you didn't get success, don't lose heart. Try, try, and even try harder unless and until you get success. So, my little geniuses, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. Thank you.
बापू की बातों का है केवल इतना सार, बापू की बातों का है केवल इतना सार। चलो सच की राह पे तो तुम आप ही लग जाओगे पार, चलो सच की राह पे तो तुम आप ही लग जाओगे पार।
Assembly by paying gratitude Almighty by reciting Surah. So I call upon Muhammad Akhtar to recite Surah from Holy Quran. Thank you, Muhammad Akhtar. I call Jaswin Jacob to say school pledge, our school pledge.
Get ready for the pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of rich and varied heritage. I shall respect my teachers and parents and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. A long life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Jaswin Jacob. I now call Ayan Khan to sing a school song.
लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी, हो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत
जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत, जिंदगी हो मेरे परवाने की सूरत या रब, इल्म की शम्मा से हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब, हो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना, दर्दमंदों ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना, लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी।
Thank you, Ayan Khan. Now I call Hemanika to our school vision.
Our vision, IAS aims to be Institute of Excellence, dedicated to producing good human beings and respectable global citizens. We serve to make humanity live. Thank you.
Thank you, Hemanika. Now to continue assembly, let's have a thought-provoking thought for the day by Rayona and Jumana.
Thought for the day. Thought for the day. Live as if you were to live for us. Thought of the day. Live as if you were to live. Die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Said by Gandhi. Thank you.
Thank you, Jumana.
Good morning, everyone. Thought for the day. Every year on October 2nd, we celebrate Gandhi to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi believed in non-violence and peace. He followed truth and simplicity, made people admire him. Yet the spirit of truth and non-violence stand apart today and always stay ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Rayana. Now I call upon my friend Kanishka Kayal to tell us about Gandhi Jayanti in English.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kanishka Kayal from first standard C. I am going to talk about Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year. It is a non-violence day in India. We celebrate this day as a national celebration in India. We pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi in his memorial at Rajpath, Delhi. Gandhi ji always encouraged with us through the subject of cleanliness in our society and our respective houses. Children play role playing on Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Thank you, Kanishka. Thank you for informative speech. Now I call upon my friend Lingeshwari to say poem, Hindi poem.
नमस्ते, आप सबको गांधी जयंती शुभकामनाएं हैं। गांधी जी ने 2 अक्टूबर गुजरात में पोरबंदर से पैदा हुआ था, इसलिए हम गांधी जयंती मनाता है। गांधी जी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास गांधी जी, माता का नाम पुतलीबाई, पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी। बाबू और राष्ट्रपिता कहते हैं। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Lingeshwari. Let us enjoy patriotic dance by Shaurya and Yashika.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shaurya. Thank you, Yashika. Be ready for Saudi National Anthem by Memuna.
Good morning, happy Gandhi Jayanti. سعري للمجد والعليا مجدي لي خالق السماء وارفع خفاق خاسر يحمل النور المسطر هديدي الله أكبر يا موطني موطني الفخر المسلمين عاش الملك للألم والوطن سعري للمجد والعليا.
Be ready for Indian National Anthem by Arav.
विनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात अमराठा तलवंग गंगई हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलद तरंगा सब शुभ जामे रागे सब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाता जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य दाता जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हे।
Assembly disperse.